What if I tell you some birds look so strange, they don't even seem real? From a bird that looks like a dinosaur to another with bright blue feet to a giant flying bird with wings longer than a car. These are the weirdest, rarest, and most unbelievable birds on earth. And trust me, the last bird on this list can fly across entire oceans without stopping. So make sure you watch until the end, because number one might be the craziest bird evolution has ever created. Welcome to the world of the most weird looking birds ever discovered. Let's begin. Number one, the shoebill. This bird looks like it escaped from the dinosaurs' age. The shoebill is found in the swamps of East Africa, especially in countries like Uganda and South Sudan. Its massive shoe-shaped beak can grow over 9 inches long. And the craziest part, it stands completely still for hours waiting to attack fish with lightning speed. Some people say its stare is so intense, it feels human. Honestly, this might be the closest thing we have to a living dinosaur. Number two, Blue-Footed Booby. Imagine being famous because of your feet. This bizarre bird has glowing blue feet so bright, they almost look fake. And here is the weirdest part. The bluer the feet, the more attractive the bird becomes. During mating season, males perform hilarious dances by lifting their feet high into the air like they are showing off expensive sneakers. Found mainly around the Galapagos Island, these birds became internet celebrities because of how ridiculous and adorable they look. Number three, frigate bird. This bird looks like it swallowed a red balloon. Male frigate birds inflate a giant scarlet throat pouch to attract females. But that's not even the craziest thing. They can stay in the air for weeks without landing. You got me correctly. They can stay in the air for weeks without landing. These birds are basically the fighter jets in the bird world. And because their feathers aren't waterproof, they almost never touch the ocean. Number four, Vulturine guinea fowl. This bird looks like a mix between a vulture, a turkey, and a superhero. Native to East Africa, the Vulturine guinea fowl has electric blue feathers and a bold vulture-like head. But scientists discovered something shocking about this bird. These birds form incredible advanced social groups, almost like tiny bird societies. Some groups have over 60 members working together. Some groups have over 60 members working together. That's smarter social behavior than many mammals. Number five, kiwi. Meet the bird that forgot how to bird. The kiwi from the New Zealand cannot fly, has tiny hidden wings, and its nostrils are at the end of its beak. That's extremely unusual for birds. Even crazier, it lays one of the largest eggs compared to body size in the animal kingdom. Imagine giving birth to something almost a quarter of your size. That's basically what the kiwi does. Number 6. Helmeted hornbill. This bird literally fights using its head. The helmeted hornbill has a solid helmet-like structure on top of its beak. Males crash into each other in mid-air like flying battering rams. The sound echoes through the rainforest like a car crash. Sadly, this incredible bird is critically endangered because of illegal hunting. Number 7. Great hornbill. This bird's beak is so huge, it almost looks impossible to fly. The great hornbill can have a wingspan over 5 feet wide. But the strangest thing is how mothers protect their babies. Females seal themselves inside tree holes using mud and droppings, leaving only a tiny opening for the male to pass food through. Nature is wild. Number 8. King vulture. Most vultures look terrifying, but this one looks like it was painted by an artist. The king vulture has bright orange, yellow, purple, and red skin around its face. It looks almost unreal. Despite the bizarre appearance, it plays a critical role in cleaning ecosystem by eating dead animals before diseases spread. Nature's cleanup crew. Big up, King Vulture. Number 9. Greater sage grouse. This bird performs one of the strangest dances on earth. Males puff giant yellow air sacs from their chest and make popping sounds during mating display. It looks like a bird trying to become popcorn. Entire fields transform into dance arenas where males compete for attentions. Entire fields transform into dance arenas where males compete for attention. Number 10. Greta Loforina. This bird transforms into something that doesn't even look like a bird. During courtship, the male spreads its feathers into a glowing blue, seemingly face-shaped. Scientists were stunned when cameras finally captured the full dance in detail. It's one of the most alien-looking displays in nature. Greta Loforina. Number 11. Magnificent frigate bird. Magnificent frigate bird. This bird is basically the upgrade version of the frigate bird. Its red throat pouch can inflate larger than its own head. And these birds are notorious thieves. They harass other birds in mid-air until they drop food, then steal it before it hits the ocean. Bird piracy is real. Championed by Magnificent Frigate Bird. Number 12. Wilson's Bird of Paradise. This bird looks photoshopped. Bright blue head, rainbow feathers, spiral tail. And the male spends hours cleaning his dance floor before performing for females. And the male spends hours cleaning his dance floor before performing for females. Imagine cleaning your room just to impress someone. That's literally what this bird does. Kudos to Wilson's bird of paradise. Number 13, spoon-billed sandpiper. Tiny, adorable, and dangerously close to extinction. This bird's spoon-shaped beak helps it sweep through mud searching for food. But habitat destruction has pushed it to the edge of survival. There may be fewer than 1,000 left in the wild. So let us save the spoon-billed sandpiper. Number 14, Andean cock of the rock. This might be the most outrageous hairstyle in the bird kingdom. The males are bright orange with giant fan-shaped crests covering their beaks. During mating season, they gather together and scream, jump, and fight for female attention. It's basically a wild bird concert. Aha! You want to watch live a wild bird concert? Take a close look at the Indian cock of the rock. Number 15, Guinean cock of the rock. Similar to its Indian cousin, but somehow even weirder. Oh, these birds look like living orange flames hiding inside rainforest caves. Their bizarre appearance makes them one of the most photographed birds in South America. You heard me correctly and right. Their bizarre appearance makes them one of the most photographed birds in South America. Number 16, Saru's crane. Standing nearly 6 feet tall, the Saru's crane is the tallest flying bird on earth. When pairs bond, they perform elegant synchronized dances together. When pairs bond, they perform elegant synchronized dances together. But sadly, wetland destruction threatens many populations. Watching them dance feels almost magical. So let us protect and preserve the Saru's crane. Number 17, Kakapo. This bird is a giant, flightless, nocturnal parrot. And yes, it's weird as it sounds. The Kakapo smells sweet, climbs trees badly, and sometimes forgets basic survival instincts. At one point, it nearly went extinct. Today, conservationists guard every single remaining bird carefully. It's one of the rarest birds alive. So let us protect and guard the Kakapo. Number 18, secretary bird. You heard me right. Secretary bird. This bird hunts snakes by kicking them to death. Its long legs make it look like an eagle crossed with a supermodel. The secretary bird can stomp with incredible force and speed. Some kicks happen faster than the human eye can fully process. Honestly, this bird fights like a martial arts master. So, you want to witness martial arts in the wild or in the forest? Take a close look at the secretary bird. Number 19, Wilson's snipe. This bird might not look strange at first until it starts making haunting sounds using its tail feathers. During flight dives, air rushes through the feathers, creating eerie ghost-like noises. Some people once believed the sounds came from the spirit. But now it has been discovered. It is from the Wilson's snipe. So don't be afraid next time you hear this kind of eerie ghost-like noises. Just know it is the Wilson's snipe bird. Number 20, we have the wandering albatross. Yes, at number 20, we have the wandering albatross. This bird is an absolute legend. The wandering albatross has the largest wingspans of any living bird, reaching over 11 feet wide. That's wider than many cars are long. These birds can travel thousands of kilometers across oceans without touching the land. Some spend years at sea. Imagine flying endless above storms and giant waves. That's the life of the wandering albatross. Kudos and big up to the wandering albatross. Which bird shocked you the most? The dinosaur looking shoebill? The dancing blue-footed bird? Or the giant albatross that rules the ocean? Comment your favorite below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button because you do not want to miss the next unbelievable wildlife adventure. Nature is far stranger than fiction, and these birds prove it. See you in the next video. Travel the world with me, your boy Stevie God. Travel the world with me, your only boy Stevie God. Peace for tourism promotion and economic development. Peace be with you all. Let the adventure begin. Travel the world with me, your boy Stevie God. Yeah!